Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows wireless service is not running on this computer. When your Wi-Fi suddenly vanishes or shows a global icon with no available connection, it usually means WLAN AutoConfig service has gone offline. Let's see how to fix this one. First method is manually turn on the WLAN AutoConfig service. To do that, go to Start menu, type Run, tap on it. In here you need to type services.msc like this. Then tap on OK. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find WLAN AutoConfig. Yes, it is right here. Right click on it, go to Properties. Change the startup type to automatic like this. If it is changed to other one, select the automatic one, tap. If it is stopped, currently it is running, you need to start that one. And then second method is force start via command prompt. To do that, go to search bar, type cmd, make sure run it as administrator, tap on yes. Okay, in here you need to type sc space config space WLAN svc space start equal auto with this space auto and hit enter. There must be a space after the equal sign, otherwise the command will be failed. Make sure space in here. Then after you need to type this command net start space WLAN svc, hit enter. Then you need to close the prompt and check the system tray for wireless connection signals. Third method is check core wireless dependencies. To do that, again you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it. Then after you need to go to services.msc, tap on OK. Locate the following two services. First one is remote procedure call. Scroll down. Okay, find it here, remote procedure call. Yes, it is right here. This one, right click on it, go to properties. Make sure startup type as automatic. Currently it is not changeable and it is already on automatic mode. No need to change, cancel this one. Second one is Windows Connection Manager. Scroll down a little bit. Yeah, find it on Windows Connection Manager. Yeah, it is right here. Right click on it, go to properties. Already okay, it is also in the automatic mode. If it is not, change to automatic and run the service. The third one is native Wi-Fi filter. Scroll up a little bit. Okay, third one is sometime only shows in some Windows build only. In my case it is not showing. If it is there, you need to make sure the start type as automatic also. Then after you can close this one and restart your computer. Fourth method is flush and reset the network stack. To do that, again as usual, go to search bar, type cmd, tap on run as administrator, then type net sh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Then after you need to type again net sh space int space ip space reset, hit enter. Once it is done, again type ipconfig space / release, hit enter. Once it is done, again type ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. Again you need to type finally ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. Then after restart your computer. This step is required for the winsock reset to bind fresh system endpoints. And the fifth method is freshly re-inject the wireless adapter driver. So right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand the network adapter section, double tap on it. These are the adapters currently run on your computer. Locate your wireless network card. It usually start with the wireless kind of thing. Yeah, it is right here. Right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tap on uninstall. If it is asked some box in here, tick box, do not check it, keep it as it is, tap on uninstall and restart your computer. then it will automatically install again with the correct drivers. Sixth method is run the built-in network diagnosis. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, scroll down and go to update and security, tap on troubleshoot, then after tap on additional troubleshooters, scroll down and find network adapter. Yeah, it is right here. Tap on it, tap on run the troubleshooter. It will sometime ask some questions related with your Wi-Fi. In my case, which network adapter it has, select the Wi-Fi or anything, then after tap on next. This will help to fix your issues.